So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video, and in today's video we're gonna see some planes landing at Schiphol Airport EHAM. Yeah, that's the ICAO. And yeah, it's gonna be very fun to watch, I think, for you. If you're gonna enjoy it, please like, subscribe and click on the bell down below to not miss a single video. And yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Let's begin. Okay, and let's start off with a 777-300ER from China Eastern Airlines. It was a passenger jet, and it lands very smoothly, as you might can see. So yeah, great. And next on there's landing a Transavia 737-800, I thought, yeah, 800. And this is a pretty hard landing, but that's okay for the 737. It's meant for that. So yeah, Transavia 737-800, done. And yet there's coming in a Austrian A320 in for a landing, and it lands pretty great, so nice to see. And right now our first jumbo jet aircraft is coming in for a landing, this time a 747 from Cargo Leaks. And yeah, it comes from Miami, and it lands very nice. Directly after the 747 landing is coming in another A320, this time from ITA Airways. And hard landing, but it doesn't matter, it's still beautiful how close the planes are to the camera. And now last but not least is a 747 again, this time from KLM. And yeah, I think this is the most beautiful 747 livery in my eyes that you got on the whole flight for a 747 market. Just look out at how beautiful. Yeah, I like that blue color on that very massive jumbo jet. Well, great to see this plane landing today. If you have enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen, please ensure you like and subscribe. That's the only thing you need to do. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time in the next video of Ryanair Butter. I love you all, guys. Goodbye.